Good morning and welcome to Seamless Sewing's new location. As you can see, I have a little bit of sunshine here in the background, a nice big picture window now. Our new location is great because we have free parking and easy access in the Maple Lawn Village at the far end in the barn, lower level. So here we are, time to do our first box opening video because the FedEx and the UPS guys have figured out where we are and they dropped off, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7 boxes yesterday. I think we'll start with the art gallery fabric boxes this morning. Very excited. We're expecting 2 collections in these boxes. One called Seedling by Katerina Ricella, and the second one, Spring Equinox by Katie O'Shea. So we'll see what's in here. I hope you all take the time to come find us in the new location. If not, I'll have these up online shortly. Sometimes it takes me a while to get the databases updated, especially from the move. We didn't get any deliveries before the move. We wanted all the new merchandise to come here. And sometimes Denise shops and forgets to tell me she shopped, so I don't always have it in the system. So here we go. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful, it's a botanical collection. This first one, Spring Equinox. This one has a beautiful red and cream leaves. And this is a beautiful multicolor one with a dragonfly. Roses, dragonflies, and beautiful greens, pinks, and blues. And then some coordinating. This has got a beautiful green sage with blooms. And this is the same with the butterflies, or dragonflies rather, except in the blue and cream colorway. I've got some nice leaves and blossoms in a pale teal and some golds. Oh, these are nice. These are little flies and moths. Flies and moths in a peach colorway. Peach or apricot. These look to be like pomegranates or something with navy blue background. And here's a nice blender to blend this collection together in a nice green with some dots. Oh, and look at these bunny rabbits. These are gorgeous. These are some rabbits and birds in a blue background. That'll make a beautiful, beautiful spring table runner or something. Same thing, bunnies and birds in a gold colorway. Let me get into the other box here. Whoa, it's all gonna wanna fall. Here, let's see. All right, so we have another box. Let me get this other one open here. Let's see. So I hope you're enjoying the end of your summertime. I guess most of the kids are heading back to school in the next week or 2. My summer's going to wrap up by heading to my son's Christmas tree farm. I got some weed whacking to do, so I'll be helping him with that. Now I usually spend Labor Day weekend at the U.S. Open Tennis. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope you have some fabulous plans too. Here's more of the Spring Equinox. Beautiful planters in a lime green. I think that's Denise's favorite color. Some more blossoms. Nice blender type. And the flies and moths in a more neutral, kind of a peachy flesh tone. And here we have this new line of blenders called Seedling. They look like little dots. We have it in a white, a dove is a nice gray. I think this is a huckleberry. Let's see if I can get this one open so you can see the purple. This is a nice huckleberry color, really pretty purple. And we have something called denim, which is what you would think a nice blue. And then a nice neutral one, sort of a kind of a khaki color. So I hope you come in and take a look at these at 546 Timberton Road, Maple Lawn Village Shopping Center, in the barn, lower level, at the far end of the parking lot by the Planet Fitness. And if you can't make it into Phoenixville, please look us up online, seamlesssewingarts.com. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your summer.